In today's exciting video, we'll take you on an incredible journey into the world of dam excavation. Join us as we explore the powerful machines and intricate processes involved in removing massive dams. From colossal hydraulic excavators to specialized equipment, we'll witness the sheer force and precision required to dismantle these structures. So, buckle up and prepare to be amazed as we delve into the fascinating world of dam excavation. Long-reach excavator. Long-reach excavators are specifically designed with extended arms to reach greater distances. They are ideal for removing dams that require a long reach and have a significant height or width. Long-reach excavators provide the necessary reach and power to break down and remove dam structures. High-reach demolition excavators are specialized machines used for demolishing tall structures, including dams. These excavators have extremely long arms and can be equipped with various attachments, such as hydraulic hammers or shears, to break down the dam and remove the debris. Amphibious excavator. An amphibious excavator is designed to work in and around water bodies. These excavators have pontoons or tracks that allow them to operate on soft and marshy terrain, making them suitable for dam removal projects that involve working in waterlogged areas or shallow reservoirs. Bucket wheel excavators are massive machines primarily used in mining operations. However, they can also be employed for dam removal projects, especially if the dam structure consists of compacted materials or large volumes of sediment. Bucket wheel excavators have large rotating wheels equipped with buckets that scoop up and remove the material. Standard excavator. Depending on the size and complexity of the dam, a standard hydraulic excavator can also be used for its removal. These excavators are versatile and can be equipped with various attachments, such as hydraulic breakers, grapples, or buckets, to demolish the dam and remove the debris. The size and specifications of the standard excavator will depend on the specific requirements of the dam removal project. And that's a wrap on our thrilling adventure through the world of dam excavation. We hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at the powerful excavators and techniques used to remove these massive structures.